Tired of juggling multiple Microsoft Teams accounts on your phone? Let's get rid of the one you don't need. First, locate and tap on the Microsoft Teams app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once the app is open, you should see your Teams activity feed. Now, look for your profile picture or initials, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. This opens your account menu. You'll see options related to your profile and settings. Scroll down within this menu. Keep scrolling until you find the settings option. It usually has a gear icon next to it. Tap on settings. Now you're in the Teams settings. Here, you need to find the accounts and orgs option. It may also be labeled something similar like manage accounts. Tap on that option. You'll now see a list of all the Microsoft Teams accounts you're currently logged into on this device. Locate the account you want to remove. Tap the account you want to remove from the list. A confirmation prompt will appear, usually asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. Look for the Remove Account button, or similar phrasing. Tap the button to confirm. And that's it. The account has now been removed from the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. You will only see and have access to the remaining accounts. Now you can enjoy a less cluttered Teams experience. Subscribe for more easy tech tips.